Let's make some chalkboard magic with Chalkola Liquid Chalk Markers. Starting with the neon colors, these bold pens bring so much vibrancy to black paper. The reversible tip is perfect for switching between fine detail and bold strokes. Just what we need for this cute little turtle. Now let's test some shades. Blue for the water bubbles, blue for the blue eye vibes, and a touch of yellow, because why not? Green for outline and some orange for shell design. These markers are super smooth and the colors pop like crazy on dark surfaces. I'm testing the darker remaining colors on the side, still super vibrant and cool looking. Even black on black looks mesmerizing. For the finer details, I'm using white chalk marker. It's perfect for adding highlights to the turtle's eyes and clean, sharp text. Plus, it's erasable, so no stress if I go outside the lines. And there you have it, a bright, bold turtle masterpiece. Whether it's glass, blackboards, or windows, these washable markers make creating so much fun and mess free. What will you create next? Grab a pack of charcoal, chalk markers, and let your imagination shine.